Hello guys, it's Dave. Welcome to my video. In this video, I want to show you guys how I changed this. I was given this by a client, so I should redesign it. Uh, how I used AI in less than 5 minutes to change this to this. See, just with AI in less than 5 minutes. You didn't have to pay. So if you want to create stuff like this, you don't not everything, not all these simple designs. You don't have to use any designer anymore. You don't have to hire anybody just with the right prompt. You see the difference from this. Eh, this is just normal and everything is outdated and everything, and AI gave me this just with prompting. So let's jump right into it. So guys, the secret of it is prompt engineering. I mean, you know how to prompt. You with prompt you can turn your words into. You are limited by just your imagination. But the secret is knowing how to prompt. You need to be very, very good at it, you know, to get the best. Even in the old times, the times of the Socrates, the they've always believed that asking the right question lead to wisdom. In life generally, the right questions can lead you to the right answer. So it's not different from AI, not different from this large language model. What you just have to do is know how to prompt, know how to get the best out of them. You give them generic questions, like I always say, they give you generic answers. But if you give them specific and well designed prompts, you have to take your time. They will give you good answers. I've been toiling around with it and playing around with it. It's really mind blowing. And it blows my mind every day. So in today, the age of this artificial intelligence, the truth has will never be more relevant with concern regards with this philosophical this thing. So you see, everything is intertwined in one way or the other. So it has never been this relevant because prompt engineering is the act of creating questions for machines, just like uh, you just ask them some questions, like tell them what to do. Isn't just about imputing command. You tell them what to do, you like, and it gives you good outputs. So it's about thinking creatively, critically, and creatively and precisely. You see? So the quality of your prompt shapes the quality of your result, just like I've said. You give it the right prompt. So you this is very important in creating anything. So knowing how to prompt is the secret. So you give it good prompts, you take your time to really know how to prompt, and then it gives you good in anything you want to do. We'll see. I'll show you the prompts and everything. I'll show you guys. But the good news again too is that you can even use prompts. You can use prompt to generate prompts. You can use prompt to become good at prompt engineering. So it's not let me show you some of the benefits. It's not a big deal. Let me show you some of the benefit of this. You see, why you should be good with this prompting. You see, just with prompting, um, all these things that used to be that used to take time, or you need specific knowledge, you need somebody, you need this, you need that. It can offer you all of this. Can even become your personal assistant, something I've used before. You can use it to learn prompts. You can use it for web design works. I'm going to create a video on this, how I use it to fast track some of my work, use it to create this thing. So there are some things that are not too complex that you can use just with prompting. You can become your personal instructor. You can create. I created a video on how to use VO3, create some promo video. You check it out, guys. You can use it too. You see, just with good prompt too. With the good prompt, you can use it to create videos. You see, there are more videos coming out, and as the future goes, as we are going to be doing more, we are going focusing more on. We are going to be depending more on this AI. We need to be very good in this prompting. I can't stress it enough. You understand? So with the brainstorming and creating ideas, with this image editing and just like with this video, you understand? Learning anything, unlocking creativity. There's a lot. This is just there's a lot. So guys, let's just jump into it. I don't want the video to be too long because it's not really a video. I just want to show you guys how I did it, how I what I did first of all, like I said, um you see, this I just started with the conversation. This is what I did. I took the video and then I used both this and I used both Google Gemini and ChatGPT. I wanted to check who is going to give me the best answer. So what I did was I took the video and the image rather that I want to redesign. I imported it, like I added it to add file, upload it. I uploaded the file in the interface in both of them, fly ChatGPT and Gemini. So I told it, there are different ways you can do. You can actually say that, okay, you can write, I want to design a prompt, a flyer, blah, 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 blah. I want to give me a prompt that I'm going to use to design it. You can say that, and then it can generate a prompt for you, and you can use that prompt that it generates to create it. You see, that is the sweet thing about this prompting. But what I did was, what I did was, I told it redesign the attached flyer with the following. I want to redesign this flyer to make it more visually appealing, modern, professional. Please retain all the essential information from the original flyer, but improve the layout, wording, if necessary, fonts, overall design. This is just generic thing, basically. The flyer should reflect a corporate, you see, vibrant look and feel. Here is the original flyer, like I told it, and a revised clean, blah 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 blah, only if needed. Updated pursuits. I don't design suggestion. I told it to recommend all this, and I told it to. You see, actually, I this one was generated by AI, like large language model. I told this one, I can't remember but I told it that I want to design a flyer. So give me a prompt because I know you can always refine it. After you get a prompt, you can always keep changing till you get what you want. So he gave me this. So in this what he gave me, he told me that it should give me a ready to share text version for a designer or a AI to design. You see, this is the secret. After I told the AI to give me a prompt that I want to design. I can't quite see where I don't want to. I can't. I don't remember where I told it that, but I can remember this is what the AI gave me. The AI gave me this so that I should give the AI. The AI gave me what to give the AI, and it told the AI to to provide a text version. This is the secret. So after I put it here, the AI came out with this. Blah blah blah. It came up with everything. It gave me ideas, as if I'm going to do it myself. But I just let it do its work. It came out, gave me ideas of what to do. These are for designers. It gave me everything. No problem, no problem. Keep giving me. Now it did everything. And this is for the designer because remember we said we said a ready share text version for a designer or an AI design tool. So this one is for the designer. This is for the designer. Mm. Now this is for the AI design tool. See, ready text for AI designer tool. I mean, so this was what I copied. This one was what I copied and used in ChatGPT. Before I went further, I asked, "Can you design it?" You see, can you design it yourself? I apologize. It was giving me complaint. Okay, I don't want to go. This I communicate with them like normal. You understand? So, but I did the same thing here. Let me show you guys. I'll just show you the tweak what I did. I did the same thing. I put the same prompts that I got from ChatGPT. I told ChatGPT I want to design if I want to redesign this flyer. I told it I want to design a flyer. Give me a prompt to use. I told it some things like okay, and then it gave me this, and then I still put this. That's how you keep refining the prompt. You get exactly what you want. It's just a little work to do. So I gave you this. So this one still did the same thing, did the same thing, did the same thing, did the same thing with what Gemini did here. All this, remember, I did it. And then he asked me, would you like me to generate a more using the AI to design as well? You see, the difference between this and this, the difference between the ChatGPT and the Gemini. The Gemini can't really design it. He was complaining that he can't. He was giving me excuses that I even told it, can you design it yourself? He said no. I'm sure the other new latest model can do it. So he designed it. See, I told you design it yourself. He gave me this. Not bad though. Not bad, but not quite what I want. Still looking. It's okay, but not quite what I want. So this is it. What I did was I took this one, this this one I told for the AI to version. I took it and I put it in ChatGPT here. I put it here. I put exactly that. I didn't even read it that much. I just put the one that is meant for the A. Remember, I told it that it should do. I told it it's the same thing here. I told it here that just for a designer or for AI to agent, because I know I'm going to still use it. I will know that it should generate prompt that is going to use to design a very good prompt. You see, I use prompts to create prompt that will make me give me a better prompt. See how crazy it is. Now, now with the AI tool design that it created for me with the ready-made text that I took from this place, I took from here, this one, I put it here. So I put it, I took that. After I created this one, I didn't really like it. So now I take that and I pasted it here. Then it gave me this background. Plus, it gave me this. That's it. Then it gave me this one. So that's how you guys, that's how you can, oh, okay, what did I do? Okay. And then give me this. So, yeah, guys, that's, I just wanted to show you guys how I did it. And that's how you can keep changing, doing anything you want to do. If you don't give you what you want, you still tell it, change it. You keep playing around with it. You don't have to, not everything you have to, these days, not everything you have to call designers to do for you or this and that. Just know what to do. The same thing with the VO3 and the next video, guys, please just try to subscribe. Make sure you subscribe and like and share with some people that you know you're a business owner. You're going to be creating profile pictures for your businesses and your uh, yeah, your accounts. Just can be doing it yourself. Save yourself some money and all that. If you know it's complex, you can now call somebody else. So that's the video for you guys. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a website with these AI tools. So, so in this video, in this channel, we explore everything about AI and web design, and I'll use it to improve ourselves. So thank you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Try to subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. Peace out.